can have an AI create your videos for you for YouTube. Check this out. So with the unfortunate death of Vidnami, we now have Pictory.ai to take its place, and let me show you just how great this tool is. Alright, so once we are logged in, we are presented with several different choices, but I always go from script to video, so let's do that. So here is where we can paste in our article. I'm going to go back to the WordTune paragraph that we did in the last TikTok, so I'm going to copy this. Remember, this is completely unique content now, and we're going to go ahead and paste it over here and proceed. And since this is TikTok, I'm going to go ahead and make this a portrait. What's really cool is that Pictory will go ahead and automatically choose stock footage and things like that based on what your text says. We're going to go ahead and check that out in a moment. So as we can see here, it took my paragraph, it divided it up into sentences, and it actually made video slides out of each one, and the actual text is on each of these slides. This is exactly the same way that I would make some of mine, and we can go ahead and do all sorts of stuff. We can move the text around. We could also shorten the text if we want to. Or if you're wanting to move this video around, you can click right here on the side and you could scoot this back and forth. Now what's really nice is on the finished video, when it's exported, this story blocks watermark will not be present. This is just a preview. You can come over here to the visuals tab. You can add in all sorts of images, videos, and things like that into your video and replace stuff. In the audio tab, you can also add in all sorts of music, and you could upload your own voiceovers, and there's a little tool that would allow it to auto sync to all the slides present. You could also choose a variety of different styles of text that matches your video the best. And of course, you can choose different formats, and when you are all done, you can go ahead and export your video. I want you to understand just how powerful Pictory AI is. No longer are we having to download all this stock footage and compile it in Adobe Premiere or a video editor. We can now use these tools that will auto-generate videos for us based on what our script is on. And using tools like WordTune, we can now take a piece of content off the internet, use WordTune to completely rewrite it so it's unique, put that into Pictory AI, and within 5 to 10 minutes, we've taken an article and turned that into our own unique piece of content, and now a unique video with text and stock footage. If you enjoyed this TikTok, be sure to follow my profile and check out all the cool things that I have to offer, like YouTube tips, growing your business, side hustles, and more.